my headphone port is right here. I'm gonna connect it. If you look at this, there is no blinking light, meaning there is no energy. So before we go on, we switch this to the transmission mode. Next step, we get our device and plug it into the USB port. As of now, there is no indicator light, no blinking light. We're gonna turn on the TV. So you see, we turned on the TV and that's blinking. Right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna listen to the normal audio of the TV without connection. I haven't synchronized none of my Bluetooth equipment yet.
Don't mount your TV to drywall. Make sure you're mounting to a stud if you have a drywall for maximum support of solar TV on a solid wall.
One thing you need to know, as long as the auxiliary cable is connected to your TV, you are not gonna hear any sound from your TV. So let's go now and pair our TV with our sound box. So you can see the blinking light. I turned on my sound bar and it's already connected to a Bluetooth, but I'm sure it's not this Bluetooth. So I have to go and see what do I have connected. So now my Bluetooth soundbot is blinking. I'm gonna pair it now. I keep trying to connect to my soundbot and it just won't pair. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try and pair with my Bluetooth headset. So we see it's still searching for Bluetooth. This is my headset. I'm gonna turn it on and then it's gonna start searching for Bluetooth. Looking for Bluetooth. See, it connected. My headset Bluetooth connected with a television. You see the light is not blinking anymore. It's a steady right now. Now I'm gonna play my TV, but you're not gonna hear any sound because it's wired to the auxiliary cable. What you're gonna hear is gonna come from here. I don't know why it wouldn't pair with my soundbot, but I'm gonna try and pair with this 3.5 mm cable to 2 RCAs to see if it's gonna work, if it's gonna send Bluetooth to my soundbot. Transmission mode. RCA. It's searching for Bluetooth. It still won't detect my soundbot. Now we're going to talk about the transmitter mode on PC. So we're going to go to transmit mode on PC. First thing we have to do, get your device, switch this button to transmit mode. That's it. That's the only thing we have to do. Look for USB port and you can see the light. It's automatically searching for other Bluetooth receiving devices. In my case, I'm going to use a Bluetooth speaker. The red light flashes during pairing and always on after pairing. Going to get my Bluetooth speaker.
Hasta que la luz.
What you hear is the computer sound, the computer speaker.
Indicando que está apagado. Y para
So sometimes when you plug in your USB, your computer might tell you that it's not compatible or the USB port doesn't recognize the USB. You just keep on trying. If you leave it for a couple of seconds and turn back on off your Bluetooth system, it's gonna work. Apagarlo, hay que presionar este también, en dado que decide apagarlo. Para usar este equipo hay que encenderlo o apagarlo cuando no se está usando. Para encender hay que presionar este botón, mantenerlo presionado hasta que la luz se vuelve azul. Y para apagarlo hay que presionar este también, en dado que decide apagarlo. So I'm gonna turn off my speaker. It's gonna revert back to the computer audio. So play again. Hay que encenderlo o apagarlo cuando no se está usando. Para encender hay que presionar este botón.